How to use Doordash coupon codes. Now, for you to be able to have access on entering manually your unique code from the voucher code or coupon codes that you would like to use in Doordash is very easy and straightforward. Open up your Doordash application or even on the web version and make sure that you sign into your account. Now, for you to have access and entering your codes manually is by accessing your checkout page. Now choose on a specific restaurant or any food that you would like to be ordered and added to your cart from DoorDash. And then once you're currently on the payment method, it is usually located at the right portion of your screen. Now head out directly to apply code or apply coupon codes, and by there just simply input the code that you'll be using and make sure that it complies all the requirements of the product that you purchase or the one that you added to your cart. Apply the code, hit on confirm, and you're good to go. So that is how you use coupon codes in DoorDash.